Welcome. Today we'll learn how to factor the polynomial x cubed plus 4x squared plus x plus 4. Let's start by writing out our polynomial. The first step in factoring a cubic polynomial is to check if there are any rational roots. To do this, we'll use the rational root theorem. The possible rational roots are plus or minus the factors of the constant term divided by the factors of the leading coefficient. Let's test these values using synthetic division. We'll start with -1. When we divide our polynomial by x plus 1, we get x squared plus 3x plus 4. Now we need to factor the quadratic term x squared plus 3x plus 4. Let's check if this quadratic can be factored by finding its discriminant. The discriminant b squared minus 4, c equals 9 minus 16, which is -7. Since the discriminant is negative, this quadratic has no real roots and cannot be factored further. Let's visualize what this means on a graph. The cubic polynomial has one real root at x equals -1 and two complex roots from the quadratic factor. Therefore, our final factored form is x plus 1 times quantity x squared plus 3x plus 4. This is the complete factorization of our original polynomial. To summarize, we use the rational root theorem to find possible roots, use synthetic division to find one factor, and determine that the remaining quadratic factor cannot be factored further.